Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to fly the AirHogs Axis 300. We're going to open it, take it out of the box, and give it its first flight. Here's the box it came in. Open her up. It's strapped in, so you have to cut those little straps. There's your transmitter. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Batteries. Here is the helicopter. Unstrap it. Ding. There we are. I think let's charge it up and we'll get it flying. Oh yeah, here's your instructions. Tells you how to fly it, charge it and all. See it flashing? That means it needs charging. You charge it with your transmitter. It has a cable that comes out, plugs in the bottom of the chopper like that. Turn it on. See the red light? When that red light goes off, that means it's ready. Let's fly it. First try. It took off pretty good, didn't it? There we go again. Whoa. I think we need to switch over to the beginner. There's a switch on the transmitter. Beginner and advanced. I think I'm going to go to the beginner. Boing. Whoa. Bounced off that stove, didn't it? That's a pretty good little flight, wasn't it? Lift right up, hovers nicely. You let go of that power stick though, boy, it's on the ground. Whoop. Let's try it again. Here we go. Oh, I let go of the stick. A little different angle on it. Try it again. A little touchy on the power stick. Whoops. Oh, that took off, didn't it? Whoa, up on the counter. A little different angle. Let's see how it does here. Takes some getting used to, but they a lot of fun. We got a lot more videos coming, so stay with us. Please like and subscribe, and we'll get them up here. Whoop. There it is, it crashed on the counter. See you next time.